Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it. Here are some passive income ideas to help you make money in 2022. 1. Build and monetize a blog. One of the most popular passive income stream originates from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, etc. So, if you're looking for an easy passive income idea, blogging might be the perfect option for you. 2. Create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in some subject or field, selling online courses may be a great passive income idea for you. Whether you sell them through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy, you'll find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay to access your content. 3. Invest in stocks. When analyzing the income sources of the world's richest people, it's pretty safe to say that stocks have played a big role in their deep, endless bank accounts. Stock investments can help you earn passive income, so consider this passive income idea if you're up to date on various markets and industry movements. 4. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are media assets. They are downloadable files such as audiobooks, PDFs, templates, or plugins. Digital products have high profit margins because no inventory or storage costs are incurred. You only have to make the asset once and you can sell it repeatedly. There's no limit on the number of copies you can sell. 5. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the passive income stream that just keeps on giving. From sponsored videos to ad revenue, you'll find that you can make recurring income from your YouTube channel. The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is creating content on a consistent schedule for a long time. Make sure every video you upload is well made and something people want. If you stick with it for the long haul, you'll eventually start reaping the passive income rewards. Thank you for watching.